Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Noel, your space to grow your English naturally and confidently. Today, we're tackling a powerful topic, crime and punishment, with 20 advanced vocabulary terms that appear in news reports, TV series, law discussions, and even exams like IELTS and TOEFL. So, if you're ready to speak and write like a pro, let's jump right in, at the very beginning of a crime story, the investigation. 1. Arrest. It means to take someone into custody because they are suspected of committing a crime. The police arrested the man for burglary last night. She was arrested on suspicion of shoplifting. The detective had enough evidence to make an arrest. When someone is arrested, it means the police have officially taken them into custody. They are not yet proven guilty, but they are being held for questioning or further investigation. It's the first step in the legal process for a suspected criminal. 2. Suspect. It means a person believed to be involved in a crime. The suspect was seen fleeing the scene of the robbery. Police are questioning a new suspect in the case. She became a suspect after her fingerprints were found at the house. A suspect is someone the police think might have committed a crime. They are under suspicion, but their guilt has not been proven. This word is used before someone is formally charged. 3. Interrogate. It means to question someone thoroughly, usually by law enforcement, to get information. The detectives interrogated the suspect for hours. They planned to interrogate the witness about what she saw. During the interrogation, he finally confessed to the crime. To interrogate means to ask a lot of questions, often in a formal and intense way, to get details about a crime. It's a key part of police investigations to gather information. This is common in police dramas. We need to interrogate the suspect. You'll hear this a lot. Once the investigation moves forward, we enter the courtroom. Trial. It means a formal legal process in a court to determine whether someone is guilty of a crime. The trial lasted for 3 weeks and attracted national attention. He is currently awaiting trial for the alleged offence. During the trial, both sides presented their arguments. A trial is the official hearing where evidence is presented, witnesses speak, and a judge or jury decides if a person is guilty or innocent. It's a central event in the justice system. 5. Court. It means the building or room where trials and legal hearings happen, or the system of justice itself. The case will be heard in the Supreme Court. She had to appear in court as a witness. The judge adjourned the court until tomorrow morning. Court can refer to the physical place where legal proceedings occur, or more broadly, to the legal system and its officials. It's where justice is sought. 6. Charge. Verb. It means to formally accuse someone of a crime. He was charged with fraud and identity theft. The prosecutor decided to charge her with assault. They were charged with multiple offences after the incident. When someone is charged, it means they are officially accused of a crime by the legal authorities. This happens after an arrest and investigation, moving the case closer to a trial. 7. Evidence. It means information, documents, or objects used to prove or disprove something in court. The prosecution presented strong evidence against the defendant. Forensic scientists collected crucial evidence from the crime scene. Evidence is anything that helps prove or disprove a fact in a legal case. It's the information that helps the judge or jury make a decision about guilt or innocence. 8. Verdict. It means the final decision of guilt or innocence made by the jury or judge at the end of a trial. The jury returned a verdict of not guilty. Everyone waited anxiously for the judge to announce the verdict. The verdict in the high-profile case was delivered this afternoon. The verdict is the official judgment in a trial. It's the answer to the question, is the accused person guilty or not guilty? 9. Jury. It means a group of citizens who listen to the trial and decide the verdict. The jury took 2 days to reach a unanimous verdict. Potential jurors were selected for the complex case. The judge instructed the jury on the points of law. A jury is a group of ordinary citizens chosen to hear the evidence in a trial and decide the facts of the case, leading to the high verdict. They represent the community in the justice system. 10. Guilty. It means legally responsible for committing a crime. The court found her guilty of manslaughter. He pleaded guilty to the charges to avoid a longer trial. If found guilty, he faces a significant prison sentence. If someone is found guilty, it means the court has determined they are responsible for committing the crime they were accused of. It's the opposite of innocent. 11. Acquitted. It means declared not guilty of the charges, often due to insufficient evidence. He was acquitted due to lack of evidence. The jury acquitted her after only an hour of deliberation. Despite the strong accusations, he was ultimately acquitted of all charges. To be acquitted means to be formally declared not guilty. This happens when the prosecution hasn't provided enough evidence to convince the judge or jury beyond a reasonable doubt that the person committed the crime. Section 3. Gathering evidence. Now, let's look at some key terms related to how police collect information. 12. Fingerprint. It means a unique mark left by the ridges of a finger, often used in forensics to identify individuals. The suspect's fingerprints were found on the weapon. Forensic experts were able to lift clear fingerprints from the glass. Every person has a unique set of fingerprints. A fingerprint is a distinct pattern on the tip of your finger. Because no two people have the same fingerprints, they are a very important type of evidence used by police to identify suspects. 13. Search warrant. It means an official legal document signed by a judge that allows police to search private property. Police had a search warrant to look for stolen goods in the house. Without a search warrant, the police cannot legally enter your home. The officers obtained a search warrant before raiding the property. A search warrant is a legal permission slip. It's a document that gives police the authority to search a specific place for specific items. It protects people's privacy and ensures police follow proper legal procedures. 14. Alibi. It means proof that a person was elsewhere when a crime occurred, showing they could not have committed it. The suspect had a strong alibi. She was in another city during the crime. His alibi was confirmed by several witnesses. The police tried to break down his alibi, but it held up. An alibi is a defense used by a person accused of a crime, claiming that they were somewhere else when the crime was committed. It's crucial for proving innocence. In every crime story you'll hear, "Does the suspect have an alibi?" It's a classic line. Finally, let's meet the key people involved in the legal process and the outcomes of a trial. 15. Lawyer, attorney. It means a legal professional who represents someone in court or advises them on legal matters. His lawyer advised him not to speak without legal representation. She hired an experienced attorney to handle her divorce case. The lawyers for both sides presented their closing arguments. A lawyer or attorney is a trained legal expert. They provide legal advice, represent people in court, and help them navigate the complexities of the law. They are essential for ensuring fair legal representation. 16. Judge. It means a public official who oversees the court, interprets the law, and ensures justice is served. The judge ordered a break in the proceedings. The judge will decide the sentence after the verdict. The judge listened carefully to all the testimony. The judge is the main authority figure in a courtroom. They make sure the trial follows legal rules, listen to all the evidence, and often make the final decision in a case, especially regarding sentencing. 17. Sentence. It means the punishment given to a person found guilty of a crime by a court. He received a 10-year prison sentence for armed robbery. The judge handed down a harsh sentence. She completed her sentence and was released from prison. A sentence is the official punishment decided by the court for someone who has been found guilty. This can include prison time, fines, community service, or other penalties. 18. Defendant. It means the person accused of committing a crime in a trial. The defendant looked nervous as the verdict was announced. The defendant maintained his innocence throughout the trial. The defendant's lawyer presented a strong defense. The defendant is the individual who is on trial, the person against whom a legal action is brought. They are the one accused of the crime. 19. Witness. It means a person who saw the crime happen or has relevant information about it and testifies in court. A witness saw the robbery and described the suspect to police. The prosecution called 3 witnesses to the stand. She was a key witness in the murder investigation. A witness is someone who has direct knowledge about a crime or case, either because they saw it, heard it, or have relevant information. They provide testimony to help the court understand what happened. 20. Victim. It means a person who suffers harm, injury, or loss due to a crime. The victim of the assault gave a powerful statement in court. Support services are available for crime victims. Police are working to identify the victim of the hit and run. A victim is the person who is directly affected by a crime, experiencing physical, emotional, or financial harm. Their well-being and justice are central to the legal process. All right, fantastic work everyone. Let's quickly recap all 20 terms to solidify your understanding. These are high-frequency, high-impact words in both written and spoken English, especially in legal shows, crime reports, and advanced reading materials. Mastering them will truly elevate your vocabulary. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly lessons. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite courtroom show or movie? And would you like a full episode on legal idioms or crime-related phrasal verbs? Let me know. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you soon on English with Noel. Bye for now.